Have you ever noticed how people tend to gravitate towards those who understand them, those who seem to speak their language? This allure, this magnetism, is often rooted in the subtle art of mirroring. It's a powerful psychological tactic that can sway opinions, win hearts, and even conquer empires. It's about reflecting back the desires, beliefs, and even the insecurities of others to gain their trust and ultimately influence their actions. The human psyche is wired to seek validation and connection. When we encounter someone who reflects our values and behaviors, it creates a sense of familiarity and comfort. This subconscious connection forms the bedrock of the mirror effect, a principle as old as time itself, woven into the fabric of human interaction. From the hushed whispers of courtiers to the grand stage of international diplomacy, the mirror effect has played a silent yet significant role in shaping destinies. This video delves into the psychological underpinnings of this potent tool, exploring its manifestations across diverse realms of human interaction. We'll journey through history, examining how emperors and spies, lovers and revolutionaries have all harnessed the power of the mirror to achieve their aims. Join me as we unlock the secrets of this fascinating psychological phenomenon. Understand its nuances, appreciate its potential, and learn to wield its power responsibly. For in the reflection of the mirror lies not just the image of the other, but the key to unlocking their very soul. Welcome to Psych Insight, where we view the world through the lens of psychology. If you find this content helpful, please share, like, and subscribe to join our community and stay updated with our latest insights. Thank you for watching. At its core, the mirror effect operates on the principle of affirmation. When we mirror someone's behavior, we subconsciously validate their worldview, making them feel seen and understood. This validation triggers a cascade of positive emotions, fostering trust and weakening resistance. Think about it. When someone listens intently as you speak, nodding along with your points, don't you feel more inclined to open up to them? That's the mirror effect in action. By mirroring your enthusiasm, they're signaling agreement and building rapport. This principle extends beyond mere gestures and words. Mirroring encompasses a spectrum of behaviors, from adopting someone's posture and tone of voice to echoing their beliefs and values. The more effectively you mirror, the deeper the connection you create. However, the mirror effect is not about mimicry or manipulation. It's about finding common ground, building bridges of understanding, and using that connection to influence outcomes. It's a subtle dance of observation, empathy, and strategic reflection, requiring both finesse and awareness. Mastering the mirror effect is a delicate art. It's about finding the sweet spot between genuine reflection and overt imitation. Go too far and you risk appearing insincere or even mocking. Hold back too much and the effect is lost. The key lies in subtlety. Observe people closely. Pay attention to their mannerisms, their choice of words, the rhythm of their speech. Subtly incorporate these elements into your own behavior, like an artist blending colors on a palette. For instance, if you're dealing with someone who's highly animated and expressive, mirroring their energy level can help establish rapport. However, if the person you observe is more reserved and measured, a calmer, more contemplative approach would be more effective. Remember, the goal is not to become a carbon copy, but to create a sense of resonance. You're not trying to fool anyone, but rather to establish a subconscious connection that makes them more receptive to your influence. Throughout history, astute politicians have instinctively understood and utilized the mirror effect to manipulate public opinion and outmaneuver opponents. By mirroring the hopes, fears, and prejudices of the masses, they've swayed elections, toppled governments, and even ignited revolutions. Consider the example of Napoleon Bonaparte. He was a master of mirroring, adapting his persona to connect with different segments of French society. To the military, he was the resolute general embodying courage and discipline. To the masses, he was the embodiment of the French Revolution, promising liberty and equality. By reflecting the desires of his audience, Napoleon created a powerful aura of empathy and understanding. He made people feel seen and heard, solidifying his power base and propelling his meteoric rise. Even in today's digital age, the mirror effect remains a potent tool in the political arena. Social media platforms have become virtual echo chambers, where algorithms prioritize content that reinforces existing beliefs. Politicians exploit these algorithms, tailoring their messages to mirror the sentiments of their target audiences. This constant reflection creates a feedback loop, amplifying biases and deepening divisions. In the corridors of power, tales of mirroring masters. History is replete with examples of individuals who've masterfully employed mirroring to navigate the treacherous waters of power. Joseph Fouché, the cunning minister of police under Napoleon, was a prime example. Fouché was a master of reading people and adapting his demeanor to suit his purpose. He understood that survival in the court of Napoleon required him to become a mirror, reflecting the emperor's moods and desires. Another fascinating case study is the relationship between the Roman emperor Commodus and his biographer Cassius Dio. Dio, a keen observer of human nature, noted how Commodus, known for his vanity and paranoia, was easily manipulated by those who flattered his ego and mirrored his suspicions. These historical anecdotes offer valuable insights into the potent, yet often overlooked influence of mirroring in shaping the destiny of nations. They underscore the importance of understanding this subtle art, not just for personal gain, but also for navigating the complex web of power dynamics that govern our world. Love and deception. Mirroring in personal relationships. The mirror effect is not just confined to the realms of power and politics. It plays a significant role in our personal lives, shaping our interactions with friends, family, and romantic partners. Think about the early stages of a romantic relationship. We're naturally drawn to those who share our interests, laugh at our jokes, and seem to understand us on a deeper level. This mirroring of our personalities and preferences creates a sense of intimacy and connection, fueling the flames of attraction. However, the mirror effect can also be used for less noble purposes in personal relationships. A skilled manipulator might use mirroring to gain your trust, only to exploit it later. They might shower you with attention, feigning interest in your passions, only to withdraw once they've achieved their goals. Therefore, it's crucial to be discerning. While mirroring can be a sign of genuine affection, it can also be a tool for deception. Pay attention to inconsistencies between words and actions. Trust your instincts. Section 7. The enigma of mirroring, espionage, and warfare. The world of espionage offers perhaps the most intriguing examples of the mirror effect in action. Spies are trained to blend in, to become chameleons who can adapt to any situation and mirror the behaviors of their targets. Their success often hinges on their ability to build trust and extract information without arousing suspicion. During World War II, the British faced a formidable challenge in breaking the Enigma code used by the Germans to encrypt their military communications. The code's complexity seemed insurmountable. However, the British codebreakers at Bletchley Park realized that the Germans had a systematic way of setting their Enigma machines each day. By mirroring this systematic approach, by thinking like the German codebreakers, the British were able to crack the Enigma code, gaining access to vital intelligence that ultimately contributed to the Allied victory. This example highlights the strategic importance of mirroring in high-stakes situations. It demonstrates how understanding and adapting to the enemy's mindset can be the key to outmaneuvering them, even in the face of seemingly insurmountable odds. Section 8. The double-edged sword ethics of mirroring. Like any powerful tool, the mirror effect is inherently neutral. Its ethical implications depend entirely on the intent of the user. In the right hands, it can be a force for good, fostering understanding, building bridges, and strengthening relationships. However, in the wrong hands, the mirror effect can be used for manipulation, deceit, and even harm. It can be used to exploit vulnerabilities, amplify biases, and sow discord. The ethical dilemma lies in the balance between influence and authenticity. When does mirroring cross the line from genuine empathy to calculated manipulation? The answer, as with many things in life, is nuanced. It's crucial to approach the mirror effect with a strong moral compass. Use it to connect, not to control. Use it to build trust, not to betray it. Remember, true power lies not in manipulating others, but in empowering them. Section 9. Mastering the mirror, a balancing act of power and responsibility. Mastering the mirror effect is not just about learning a technique, it's about cultivating a deeper understanding of human psychology. It's about recognizing our innate desire for connection and validation. It's about harnessing that understanding to build bridges of empathy and influence outcomes ethically. As you delve deeper into the nuances of mirroring, remember this: the most effective mirrors are those who have a strong sense of self. They are comfortable in their own skin, confident in their own beliefs. This inner strength allows them to mirror others without losing sight of their own values and principles. Mirroring, when wielded responsibly, can be a powerful tool for personal and professional growth. It can help you build stronger relationships, navigate complex social situations, and achieve your goals ethically and effectively. Section 10. The enduring power of reflection. The mirror effect, a timeless principle of human interaction, continues to hold immense sway in our world. From the boardroom to the bedroom, from the political stage to the digital landscape, its influence is ubiquitous, often subtle, yet undeniably powerful. As we've explored, this psychological phenomenon is not merely about imitation, but about understanding. It's about recognizing that our ability to connect with others hinges on our willingness to see the world through their eyes, to reflect their emotions, and to validate their experiences. By mastering the art of mirroring, by understanding its nuances and wielding its power responsibly, we can unlock new levels of influence, build stronger relationships, and navigate the complexities of human interaction with greater awareness and empathy. The key, as always, lies in using this knowledge wisely, for the benefit of both ourselves and those around us. The enduring power of reflection, after all, rests in its potential to illuminate not just the world outside, but also the world within.